My brothers and my sisters, I want to do this now. A beautiful sister, Lamina Tusanko, the one and only, the original, no duplicates. Any other Lamina to na carbon copy. You, my brother, where they look me. You, my sister, where they look me. I want me to feel free to share this video because I want this video to go viral. This video might help somebody out there. This video today, I dey call and say, not to everybody go there your life. Not to everybody suppose for dinner your life. Not to everybody suppose for take the journey with you now your life. Be blood or not. No. Most of the time, we can say, oh, na me mama, na me papa, na me sister, na me brother, na me auntie, na me uncle, na me cousin. What thing I go do? You, me brother, where they look me, you, me sister, where they look me. Yes, you do have something to do. You get something where you go do. Walk away. Not to everybody supposed for dinner your life. Be blood or not. Where you get a family member where it be say, it get you name na emote constantly. When not to pray, it pray for you. Be you mama, be you papa, be you brother, be you sister, be you auntie, be you uncle, be you granny, be you grandpa. It get you name na emote constantly. When not to pray, it pray for you. My dear, let that person go. That person not supposed for the part of your journey. That person not supposed for day in your life. That person are a dream killer. And most of the time, when we can come out, we go and then family functions. Then yeah, when we go to family functions, as you they enter, and say, damn, look the man we come with today. Then begin looking from head to toe. But you call them family members. Then look, they say, now you know say now na me the man they with. Now na team the man they date. Hey, now na one full of girl now na in today. Waiting do them people a day. They're not a mortal man, they're not mortal man. So their family members then the way they criticize you continuously. Then snap na your neck, then they criticize you. They are not supposed to be part of your journey. Let them go. It be your mama, it be your papa, it be your brother, it be your sister, it be your auntie, it be your uncle. Where it be said, then get your name na the mouth constantly. When not to pray, then they pray for you. Then get your name na the mouth. Then snap na your neck. Anything where you they do, then they oppose you. Anything where you say, then they oppose you. Even if they get way. For make them breathe for you, make them show you how to take your breath in and out. They want for dwam. And they dwam in a negative way. Those people are not supposed to be in your life. Not to everybody supposed for them in your life. Be family member or not. They're not supposed for them in your life. It be your mama, it be your papa, it be your brother, it be your sister, it be your auntie, it be your uncle, it be your granny, it be your grandpa. Where it be said then gets your name na the mouth constantly 24/7 then gets your name na the mouth. Not to pray then they pray for you, but then gets your name na the mouth. Those people are not supposed to be part of your journey. They're not supposed for day na your life. Where you get family members where it be say then snap na your neck constantly, then snap na your neck. Anything where you do, then they oppose you. Then they talk about you. Then they nag about you. When I go up on family gathering, then snap, they ask you, they enter. Then they look you from head to toe. They say, look what he wear. Oh, look how he dressed today. Oh, look the woman where he come with today. Oh, look the man where he come with today. Oh, the last time, na one full of girl he come with. Today, na Creole girl he come with. Oh, the last time, na Creole boy he come with. Today, na Timini man he come with. You don't need them people then day in your life. Those are dream killers. You don't need them in your life. Let them go. Be it blood or not. Where you get certain people in. Now you circle. Where then snap na your neck. Constantly then snap na your neck. Constantly then get your name na the mouth. Not to pray then they pray for you. But then they gossip about you. Then they talk about you. Then they cry you down. My dear, let them go. Be it blood or not. You don't need them kind of people, Andy. You need somebody in your life where they motivate you. You need somebody in your life where they try for push you go up. Not to that person where they bring you can down. Not to that person where they cry you down. Not to that person where whether you do good or not, if they oppose you. No, you don't need them kind of people then they na your life. Be it family, be it blood or not. You don't need them people then they na your life. You say, okay, this na my sister, this na my brother. You they call and say na your sister, you they call and say na your brother. But if it get you name na emote constantly, if they talk about you, when not to pray, if they pray for you. But if they talk about you constantly, if they damage your name, if they spoil your character, if they destroy your name, destroy your character, but you still they hold on, say, oh, na me brother, waiting I go do. Na me sister, oh, waiting I go do. My dear brothers and sisters, wonder where they look at me so. You got a whole lot to do. What do you they do? Take a walk. You don't need that in your life. Not to everybody supposed for them in your life. You mama, you papa, you brother, you sister, you auntie, you uncle. If they know they support you, for move you, may you go up, for may you elevate, for elevate you, they know they do. My dear, you don't need them in your life. You get your mama, you get your papa, you get your brother, you get your sister, you get your auntie, you get your uncle. But constantly then snap na your neck. Anything you do, then they oppose. You do good, then they oppose. You do bad, then they oppose. Then they even look the kind woman where you for dates. Then they even look the kind man where you the date. Then they even look the kind where you the dress. You dress good, then go oppose. You dress bad, then they oppose. You come with good man self, then they fend way for me, then go oppose me, then go criticize. My dear brothers and sisters, we not need them kind of people, then they now in life. We need people that are with life where they elevate we. Not to that person where they judge you. Family members. No hold on to your family members. Say, oh, na me fambul. Hey, what's I go do? I no get nothing for do. Family tick in the bend, but you know they broke. Yes, family tick in the bend, you know they broke. But guess what? That family will constantly tin up na your neck. Let them go. That family member will constantly get your name na the mouth. When not to pray, then they pray for you. Let them go. You don't need them in your life at all. That family member will constantly they oppose you when not they try for lifts you. But it oppose you. It always want for put you down. It will always want for see you downfall. Let them go. They're not supposed for them in your life. Be you mama, be you papa, be you brother, be you sister, be you auntie, be you uncle, be you cousin, be you granny, be you grandpa. But then get you name na the mouth constantly. When not to pray, then they pray for you. But then they talk about you. Not to pray, then they pray for you. But then they try to put you down. When I go in a family gathering, as you they enter, they forget say na them born you. As you they enter, they forget say you na them one mama, one papa, brother and sister. They forget say you na them cousin. As you they enter, they don't begin talk about you. My dear sisters and brothers, let them go. You don't need them people in there. Oh, today na John he can't wait. The last time na Peter na he can't wait. Oh, the other time na Limba man he can't wait. One Limba guy. Oh, today na one Creole man he can't wait. Then they judge you. Now it don't left for dates that Creole girl. Now one Mende girl now he the date. Then they judge you. They know they try for uplift you. They know they try for talk to you and know what's going on. But then they try for put you down. My dear sisters and brothers, we don't need them kind of people and they now with life. Let them go. Let them take a walk. Not to everybody supposed for them in your life. Be it blood or not. Not to everybody supposed for them in your life. Some blood that they guess what? Then dangerous past you yon party them. Some blood then they will they say, this is me one mama, one papa, brother and sister. This is my first cousin. This is my auntie. This is my uncle. Guess what? Those people, some of them they bad past the party they will keep. Yes. So you not actually need those kind of people in your life. Not to everybody supposed for them in your life. That person where it be say, it get you name na imot 24/7, but you they call and say, now you blood, now you family, my dear sisters and brothers, you don't need that kind of person in your life. We're not to pray, then they pray for you, but then get you name na the mouth constantly. Then tinap na your neck. That family member, where tinap na your neck constantly, it tinap na your neck. Be you mama, be you papa, be you brother, be you sister, be you auntie, be you uncle. My dear brothers and sisters, you don't need them. You need somebody where they elevate you. You need somebody where they motivate you. Not to that person where they cry you down. Be it blood or not. Not to everybody suppose for dinner your life. Una feel free to share this video. This is our beautiful sister, Lamina Tusanko, the one and only, the original, no duplicate. Mwah, love you guys.